Okay, we're in a field on Anglesey here. There were a few finds have come from this field, scattered around the field, from the Romano-British period or Iron Age, and we've been trying to find out what's going on here. So first of all, we carried out a geophysical survey, which allows us to see some of what's under the ground without digging any holes, and there were two areas that came up of interest. They look as if they might possibly be areas of Iron Age settlement or Romano-British settlement, so roundhouse settlements with perhaps an enclosing wall around them. So what we're doing at the moment is digging a series of up to 11 small test pits. Right, I'm here in trench number 2 here. This is fully excavated now. What we can see mostly in here is the natural bedrock, the limestone bedrock that must have been exposed in the Iron Age. And in the centre here we've got these big lumps of limestone in a line, which I think are the wall of a roundhouse. And one of the things that has given us good evidence of what we're looking at here is we found, just where I'm standing, dozens of pieces of this pot. So this is a black burnished ware pot. So this is probably a cooking pot. It comes from Dorset. I've just picked out 2 bits that joined together by complete chance, and it was dropped here probably about in the 3rd century or so, smashed to pieces, and stayed there ever since until I picked it all up. So there we go.